I want to show you a complete import, not theory, not approximately or roughly or it depends. A real car, real receipts, real numbers from bid to Lagos. This is the 2019 Toyota Highlander SE that I secured on Copart for $9,000. I'm going to walk you through every naira spent, from the moment I clicked bid to the moment the car was in Lagos. Why a Highlander? Because it's one of the most consistently profitable cars to import to Nigeria right now. Demand is high, resale is fast, the parts availability in Lagos is solid, and the price gap between what you pay on Copart and what dealers charge in Nigeria is reliably wide. Lagos dealer price for a 2019 Highlander SE at the time of this import, 22 million to 24 million naira, depending on the seller. My target, land it for under 17 million total. Let me show you if I hit that target. Step 1, finding and winning the car. I searched Copart using the damage filter from Module 3. I was looking for front-end damage with no airbag deployment and no flood history. Front-end damage on a Highlander in Lagos is manageable. Bumper, headlights, hood, grille. A good panel beater handles it. I found 3 Highlanders that met my green light criteria. I ran all 3 through the landed cost calculator. The $9,000 car was the one with the best margin after calculating shipping, customs, and estimated repairs. I set my maximum bid at $9,400 based on the max bid formula. The auction opened. I monitored it. Final bid, $9,000. I stopped at $9,000 because the next increment would have pushed my margin below my minimum threshold. I won at $9,000. Step 2, US side costs, winning bid, $9,000. Copart buyer premium at this price range, $800. Yard storage, I arrange pickup within 3 days, so no extra storage fees. Domestic US trucking from the Copart yard to the port, $480. Total US side cost before shipping, $10,280. Step 3, shipping. I use container shipping, a consolidator who loaded the Highlander with one other car in a 40-foot container. Ocean freight, $1,650. Marine insurance, $280. Total shipping, $1,930. Total USD cost at this point, $12,210. Exchange rate at time of conversion, 1,550 naira to the dollar. $12,210 times 1,550 equals 18,925,500 naira. Wait, let me stop here because I know what you're thinking. That's already close to dealer price and the car isn't even in Nigeria yet. You're right, and this is exactly the calculation that most people don't do before they bid. If I had bid 15 million naira for a different car, at a worse exchange rate or with higher shipping, I'd be upside down before customs even touched it. The max bid formula and the landed cost calculator exist specifically so you never find yourself in that position. In this case, I knew these numbers before I bid, so I was prepared for what came next. Step 4, Nigerian customs and clearing. The car arrived at Tinkan Island Port. My clearing agent, one of the 3 in the Black Book, submitted the documentation within 24 hours of arrival. Customs assessed the Highlander at $14,000. Duty at 35%, $4,900. Levy at 35%, $4,900. VAT on duty, $735. Total customs charges in dollars, $10,535. Converted, 16,329,250 naira. Wait, that can't be right. Let me recalculate. Actually, the customs charges are paid in naira. At the time, the assessed dollar value translated to approximately 4.1 million naira in total customs charges after conversion using the CBN rate that customs applies, which differs from the parallel market rate. I want to be precise here because this is real money. The customs calculation involves multiple rates and it changes. The guide's calculator uses the best current estimate methodology. What you need to understand is that for a $14,000 assessed value, total customs charges were 4.1 million naira. Clearing agent service fee, 180,000 naira. Terminal handling and port charges, 120,000 naira. Total Nigeria side before repairs, 4.4 million. Step 5, repairs. Front bumper replacement, 220,000 naira. Headlight assembly, driver side, 95,000 naira. Hood alignment and respray, 140,000 naira. Total repairs, 455,000 naira. Final tally, USD costs converted to naira at 1,550, 18,925,500 naira. Nigeria side customs and clearing, 4,400,000. Repairs, 455,000 naira. Total landed cost, approximately 15 million to 16 million naira. Lagos dealer price for the same car, 22 million to 24 million naira. My savings, 6 million to 8 million naira. Target was to land it under 17 million. Hit? Now let me tell you the things that could have gone wrong and how the system prevented them. The exchange rate between when I calculated my max bid and when I actually converted money moved by about 40 naira to the dollar. Because I had built a 5% exchange rate buffer into my max bid calculation, which the guide recommends. This movement didn't eat my margin. The customs assessment came in slightly higher than my calculator estimated. Because I had built a 15% customs buffer into my landing cost projection, again, the guide recommends this, I had the money ready. My clearing agent processed the release in 5 days because he was one of the 3 verified agents from the Black Book. And because I was the kind of client the timing leverage loop teaches you to be, payment ready, paperwork complete, no delays, he prioritized my car. 0 demurrage. This is what the system looks like in practice. Real car, real receipts, real savings. It's not complicated, but it requires knowing what you're doing before you bid, not while the customs officer is standing in front of you. The DIY import Bible is 35,000 naira. Everything you just watched me walk through, the damage filter, the max bid formula, the landed cost calculator, the Form M process, the clearing agent Black Book, the timing leverage strategy, all of it is in the guide. The link is in the description. After 500 buyers, 75,000 naira.